Your nation people. Right now, I have to give it up to the world boss. No gimmicks, no there, no the thing, nation people. A real way I represent. I said that F song the way teacher drop with the F video. Right now, I'm almost sure. Say, yo, all them porn star rascal company there. I know what them supposed to hunt for some girl like that. Because right now, let me tell you something. Teacher, you turn Instagram upside down. No gimmicks business, not that about it. Yo, at the first year, a long while, I see the girl them get so crazy. What I say? Real crazy. I don't know, lollipop thing, Gaza Nation. You don't go over Instagram. You don't see it. All my gun don't see it, you know. No gimmicks thing not in there about it. But watch where I go on. At the world, it's not a plan. Yo, so watch where I go on, you know. Carefully. A franchise. The chosen one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already, you know. When I come for represent, I have full effect thing, man. You don't know what go. When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me on. I the people's champion. I mean, hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. The nation people. First and foremost, I want to big up I obtain. There's what I say. Because we see my burn the fire consistently. No gimmicks business not there about it. We like what I go on I obtain. And big up quarter than in the same speed. There's what I say. Come run over Fame go take a look at sneak preview. And see what Fame dash out, what I obtain and quarter done message to the people them who in control. Now gimmicks business not there about it. Because it look like me can't call them name. You see what I say? Otherwise my video get restricted instantly. No gimmicks thing not there about it. Naturally, actually, and fracturally. You see what I say? Right about now, Gaza Nation. I say the F video. You no go look. You no watch Instagram. Eh? You no tell me say nobody now watch Instagram. A fire it under. You hear me? Hey, it never look like an Instagram again. It look like a something new to my knowledge. A long time I don't really see girl behave so. Not even a recently party where hide and cook up and cook down and lock down. You don't see her move them way there. Right now, the only place I surmise you can go get something sneak preview like that after the Go-Go Club. No joke shit not there about it. Yo teacher, let me tell you something man. This is the thing why you see enough boy not like you. Enough girl. Enough people who you see against the thing. Because what? Some boy can't believe, you know, a prison really there, you know, and have so much demands from bumbuckler girl. You see me? And have such impact upon the girl them. You don't see how the girl them move? Crazy. The boy can get the girl them to move like that. All when them pay them not do it. No joke shit not there about it. And the girl them say teacher free of course. We don't have to spend no money. No lollipop thing not there about it. No joke shit not there about it. My baby mother called me, I make sure wait for a minute. I know she have a cuss and go and bad. But she have to know say I sound the big thing them. And when I sound the big thing them and on a lollipop thing, it's not even the same person. I have to wait till my video end before I transform back over. No joke shit not there about it. Right now a 10-star in charge. And when the general in charge, I'm not take talk from men and people. No joke shit not dead about it. I really am represent. No come a lollipop with. You hear that? Yeah. So me I say teacher, the thing shut off. It gone. A first class. There's what I say. And me I tell you the impact with the thing. Upon the ladies them. I don't know, you know. If you are shorty, put out no type of reward for no reaction video or nothing like that. But me I tell you, to the girl them are going, oh God, man. Let me tell you something, ladies. A quarantine, you know. Man, you don't kill the man them on Instagram, you know. No joke shit no dead about it, you know. You don't act too wicked, you know. Only so serious, man. Eh? Hey, ladies. Behave, you know. Behave, you know, and not to go on properly right about now, you know. Right about now, you know. The man them locked down, you know. And them type of entertainment they won't give the man them, you know. No form of joke night Gaza Nation. The type of entertainment where the ladies them give the man them on Instagram. Let me tell you something, man. The whole place shell, man. Hotter than where hell, man. I don't lie about it. I don't know joke thing. No gimmicks thing no there in it. Yo, me hear all some people, you know, around them mouth, you know. And I talk about, you know, how much, you know. The teacher think them not get no views on the tube and them shit there, you know. Right now, you know, Gaza Nation, you don't have to know, say, you know. Let me tell you something. Vybz Kartel is not a YouTube artist. So you can't look on them thing there. And the little girl, I'm not even going to call their name as I tell you already in a previous video. So I'm not even going to call their name because I don't know what kind of highlight you look. Because I see the live and 20 people are watching. And every time you go live, the thing is about Vybz Kartel. You dig up video and I show about views on YouTube video. Are you crazy? Vybz Kartel is not a YouTube artist. Vybz Kartel is a worldwide artist. You hear that? So when you want to check Vybz Kartel status and thing them, you have to go check Spotify and all them play platform there. See what the music I do to them play platform there. When not everybody have to jump on free, you have to spend your money. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. I really am not representing a lollipop way. I want me to know. Eh? What I want to do now? Every time when I come with this competition business, I want to know an artist and nothing we're comparing to Vybz Kartel. A matter of fact, make me evil load that, because that not even a cut not dash right at this moment. You hear me sharp boss and world boss. Right now, you know, the girls that are in Brooklyn, you know, I ask me want me to look at Vybz and look at Addy, you know. Me personally, you know, me know you not just do things randomly like that. Me know on precise when you not do anything. Me know that. Me know on orchestrate on a thing different. But me just some guy for make you know. Say the ladies them in a Brooklyn, New York, I ask want me to look at Vybz and look at Addy because the people them love the thing them where the youth them spit off, and the worst the ladies them love it bad. You see what I say? And no joke shit not dead about it. But we don't know say, well then you not get up and do random thing and orchestrate on a thing properly, and probably the next time we hear from them you they are living bun the place bun down flat. You see what I say? But here we are going right about now. Yo, wanna make sure no go over there go support the new song. You see what I say, people? Make sure no do what we do best. Stream it off. You see me? Because we don't run down YouTube views. You see what I say? Leave that for the vendettas, jockstrap, sniffers them. You see me? Fanboy and fan girl. You know we not do them type of shit there. You see what I say? You know when it come to world boss, the people them as we put them money which part them more there. No lollipop thing that there in it and no gimmicks thing that there in it. You know. I don't know when 10 star represent a real way, no Gaza way can't get no other way. No joke shit not there about it. You hear me say? No form of games not in it. You know what I mean? Yeah. And me I say Instagram turn up till it book. You see what I say? Right now, the whole day me there on Instagram. What? Wicked view. I love every bit of it. You see what I say? I want me tell you something, girl. I soon now wine And I go on the most extracted way. You know. Right now, you know, I have a simple question for you. You know. You know how to broke cock and set it back? Yo, it's a position, you know. I not literally break it. At the general, the 10-star one. What? Hear me, man? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. A 10-star. General.